want to give a little shout out to Pritam and his team. They designed a funnel for us, did an excellent job. We found Pritam on Facebook. I saw a lot of the stuff he posts in the Go High Level group there, and really nice, just quality stuff. And so we figured we'd give him a shot, let him work on our stuff, and he did a great job. Excellent. He really knows the flow of a funnel, and he knows a little bit about sales, and you can tell he integrates sales and stuff into the funnel flow, and it looks great. We've already been getting sales off of the one he made for us. We've done paid him to do another group of funnels for us, and once he completes this one, we're planning on having him redesign our website and even another funnel along with that. So I highly recommend Pritam. Great communication when it comes to any needs, or there's a couple times we reached out to him just explaining that our niche is, the wording for our niche is a little different, and he would gladly try and change things to be better, communication-wise with our niche. And so he's worked with us really well, great communication, and I highly recommend him. If anybody has any questions about Pritam and would like to reach out, we'd be glad to answer them. So thank you, Pritam. Appreciate all y'all are doing.